to go. Attention. 1 minute down. And 3 minutes and 59 seconds to go. Step 1 is the car number 1 is running in first. It's 3 laps. Lee Dawson, the car number 2 is running in second. It's 3 laps. Jerry Alden, the car number 4 is running in third. It's 2 laps.